How to open Santander bank account. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Launch a browser and search for Santander Bank or directly type in santanderbank.com. After which you will be redirected to your official homepage. In here, in order to open up your Santander bank account, it is pretty simple. At the very top of the Santander Bank official homepage, you should see a login portal. In there, click on it. After which, you will have to enter your username and your password that is associated with the Santander Bank account. After that, tap on the login button. In the case of forgotten user ID or password, click on it. If you are new to it, select on Enroll Now. After which you will be redirected to a new home page. In here, select on Identification option. In this way, you can select account number or debit or credit card number. If you don't have an SSN, enter your DOB and select on the Continue button. Secondly, verify yourself. Then you'll be able to create your account. And just like that, you have made yourself your very own Santander bank account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.